been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we miss. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid of loving our life we made. And I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted to and listened to before. I swear you taught me everything you know. Can't imagine needing someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. But I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'm here with you through the years. Through the years, everything went wrong. Together we were strong, and know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, never held it down. We'd always work things out, although our lives are bound by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Thank you so much. Once again, enjoy your dinner.